Hey guys, it's Luna. And today I'm going to be showing you how to work out on a budget. Even while being a dancer, actually especially while being a dancer, I don't have the funds to go pay $30 for a SoulCycle class or pay $100 for a gym membership. In this video, I'm going to be showing you ways to kind of hack the system, just ways to get fit without spending a lot of money. But first, I wanted to let you in on some of my favorite activewear. A company called Stronger reached out to me and asked if they could send me some products for me to try out and maybe, if I like them, share with you guys. So I tested them out for you, I worked out in them, and let me tell you, these are the comfiest workout clothes I've ever worn, and not only are they so comfy, but they're so cute. So I'm gonna show you a couple outfits right now because I'm literally obsessed. And let's be real, did you actually work out if you didn't wear a cute outfit? They come in these super cute little boxes, and it ships from Sweden, and it literally came within a week. Okay, I'm gonna start with my favorite because you guys know how I like my leopard print. The first thing I ordered were these cheetah leggings. So the waistband is so nice and it like sucks in your waist in the most insane way. And I just think these are so cute. And so it comes with this little top. So it's just the cutest little set. And not only that, but I ordered this little windbreaker to go with it. And inside of the hood has like leopard print. And it has like little stripes on the sleeve. Okay, the second outfit I got, just this nude little set. So it has the little nude sports bra and the leggings. They're just the same as the other ones. The waistband is so nice. It has a little stripe on the thigh. Also, just to switch it up a little bit, I got that same nude set in a gray. And I just think it's so cute. I don't know about you guys, but when I go on a run, like around my neighborhood, I don't feel totally comfortable running on the streets in a sports bra. So I ordered this little shirt, Razorback, is that what you call it? And it says Stronger on it. And this is just the perfect running shirt because it's such a thin material, but it also like soaks up sweat. The last set I got, something that's very unlike me because I'm a very monochrome person. But this little set, it's basically like a little floral top. I love the way this little top cuts because it's just so flattering. And it's a little bit longer, so it's more of like a shirt. It's not really a sports bra. Then it comes with matching little leggings with the same signature stripe on the thigh. So now that we have our perfect outfit, without further ado, here are steps to work out on a budget. Okay, pause because I forgot to tell you the most important thing, which is that you can use my discount code LUNA15 for a percentage off your order on stronger.com. My very first step for you guys is to go on more walks, whether it be with your dog, your friend, or your mom. Just find a place in nature to walk and walk. Walking is one of the best movements for our body. It's not too demanding and it's an easy workout, so find a place near you and walk. My next step for you guys is to find free online workout videos on YouTube. I use videos from Fit with Cambrie, from Fitness Blender, and also from Linda Fit Pilates. I'm going to link some below for you guys. These videos are the closest thing that you can get to a paid workout, and if you really apply yourself, you can actually get just as good as a workout as you would if you went to a class. My last and final step for you guys is to research gyms and classes near you and look for their free trials. So a lot of gyms will offer either a free week, free 3-day trial. Not only are you getting free classes, but you're also not wasting your money on a class that you may have not liked. It's just a great way to test out gyms near you, meanwhile getting a good workout.